In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore a deleted project in Wrike. If you've ever accidentally removed a project or realized later that you still need it, don't worry. Wrike has a built-in way to bring that project back, and the process is actually quite simple once you know where to look. First, make sure you're logged in to your Wrike account and viewing the main workspace. Look toward the top right corner of your screen for your profile icon. This is usually a small circle that may show your initials or a picture. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. When you do, a drop-down menu will appear with several options related to your account and workspace settings. From this menu, look for the option labeled Recycle Bin. The Recycle Bin is where Wrike temporarily stores items you've deleted, including projects, tasks, and sometimes folders. Click on Recycle Bin to open it. This will take you to a page that lists all the items that have been removed but not yet permanently deleted. Once you're in the recycle bin, you'll see a list of deleted projects and other items. Take a moment to carefully scan through this list and find the project you want to restore. If there are many items, you can usually sort or search to make it easier to locate the right one. It's important to double check the name so you don't accidentally restore the wrong project. When you've found the correct project, locate the checkbox next to it. Click on that checkbox to select the project. You can select just one project, or if needed, you can select multiple projects by clicking the checkboxes next to each one. Selecting them tells Wrike which items you want to act on. With your project selected, look for the Restore option. This may appear as a button at the top of the list, or as an option in a small menu once items are checked. Click on Restore. Wrike will then move the project out of the recycle bin and place it back into your workspace, usually in its original location. After restoring, it's a good idea to navigate back to your main projects area, and confirm that the project is visible and intact. You should see its tasks, subtasks, and details as they were before deletion, assuming it hasn't been permanently removed by system retention rules. And that's it. By clicking your profile icon, opening the recycle bin, selecting the project with the checkbox, and then choosing Restore, you can quickly bring a deleted project back to life in Wrike.